Hey, I'm hoping this is working because I just got a little bleeper thing that said trying to reconnect. So I'm hoping this video stays connected. Maybe my Wi-Fi or something. Sometimes it gets weird and funky. Anyway, to stop with the boring stuff and get to the fun stuff, right here is my box from woot.com, which is technically called a bag of crap, which woot.com lovingly calls them, or BOC, or we could just say it's a mystery box. And so I have had this since I think last week Thursday. It's been sitting in my office and it's been like this, I don't know, like mini Christmas present, and I don't know what's in it. And I'm excited because I'm gonna open it today and show you what's in it. And then I have a giveaway so that you can win one of your own. Now, why did woot.com send me a box of crap for nothing? Well, they wanted to have people know that woot.com is offering free shipping now for anyone who is an Amazon Prime member. So, if you are an Amazon Prime member, like me, who I love Amazon Prime, and my UPS delivery man is in my driveway all the time, and my daughter always says, my best friend is here, every time he pulls up the driveway, and it's super cute. So that's one of the benefits of having Amazon Prime, is that my daughter's best friend is my UPS delivery man. But anyway, so woot.com now offers free shipping to Amazon Prime members, and so we're doing this giveaway to kind of spread the news to deal seekers that want free shipping. And so now let's open this box and see what's in here. Now, in my mind, I'm thinking, so it's supposed to be $50 value, so it could be like a pair of shoes, a t-shirt, I don't know, a cell phone accessory. They have food. I mean, woot.com has tons of stuff, right? So what are they gonna send to me? And one of you can also win one of these. Hey, this is pretty cool. Oh, okay. So first of all, maybe I'll move this over to the side here so I can have room to show you what's in here. This is pretty funny. So we've got woot.com, a little green bag to start. Okay, cool. I got a bag. It's an Amazon company, which is good because that's why Amazon Prime members get free shipping. Who the heck is Woot? Oh, it's the original daily deal site that now offers free shipping for Amazon Prime members. What else did I get? Nameplates. So this looks like a great donation for my daughter's preschool teacher, or even elementary teacher, because you can just put, someone's name and, you tape it to their desk, and this can be where they sit. Since I'm not currently teaching elementary, this might turn into a donation or an end of the year teacher gift. So here's one thing. By the way, this box is very full. Oh my gosh. Of course there's one of these in here, because that means now I'm going to have to put it on. Can't believe I'm doing this. Woot, you better love me for this. They sent me one of these, probably because I said I was gonna do this live on Facebook. So they sent me this. I don't even know what this is. Five Nights at Freddy's? Does anyone know what this is? Oh, I just popped it off. I'm not gonna leave this on for long. But I got a bear mask. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Probably gonna give it to my kids. They can play dress up with it. I'm only wearing this for one more reveal. Adhesive plate hanger. A plate hanger for hanging porcelain, china, earthenware, glass plates, and unvarnished wood. Must be you hang plates on the wall with it? That could come in handy. I mean, I have been doing some extra decorating stuff. So, even the thing behind me, I just set up this new shelf not too long ago and I love it. Okay, so I've got some plate hangers. That might come in handy if I want to hang a plate on my wall. So we've got name tags, an obnoxious bear mask, plate hangers. What is this? Touch of Nature. I think it's just a pink feather. Hey Jen, you're awesome. Thanks for joining. Thanks for leaving a comment. One of my favorite blogging friends is watching. Hey Jen, have you ever gotten a box of crap from Moot.com? This is pretty much fun that I get to open this random stuff right now. So I guess you can like put this in your hair. Yeah, another obnoxious thing. So, okay, a pink feather. What else is in it? This box is still pretty full, by the way. Looks like something nerdy I can give to my husband. I have no idea what it is. Oh, wait, of course I know what this is. It's a motherboard parallel LPT 25P printer doohickey connector thingy. Of course I knew that's what that was. Anyway, this is going on my husband's desk because he might actually have a use for it. Okay, what else is in here? Okay, so we've got a random light cover thingy. This could be fun if I actually like put some scrapbook paper on here, like decoupaged on here to match some, you know, a room decor item. So maybe that'll be like a future craft project. Ooh. Autumn foliage paper. This actually could come in handy because I've got a cool blog post that I have like a free printable of what you're thankful for in the fall. And maybe I could just print out I am thankful for on this paper and frame it. And then we could have our free what I'm thankful for printables for the fall. Either that or I don't know, we'll have to write letters or Thanksgiving Day. Oh, we could all write down what we're thankful for on the autumn themed paper. Anyway, I like craft things. Ooh, now this excites me because I'm a former biology teacher. That means I kind of enjoy bugs and things. And I also like doing fun things with the kids. So this one is Critter Crafts and Recipes. I pretty much can guarantee there's going to be a blog post coming out of something from this book. Critter Crafts and Recipes. Let me just skim through it. It's a Ranger Rick thing. I can learn how to make a milk jug feeder, an edible nest. That's cool. Wait, you can't see what I'm looking at here. I gotta arrange the camera right. Butterfly sandwich, strawberry ladybugs. Oh, I could make so much fun. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make some strawberry ladybugs and put like a fancy recipe up. Frog salad, egg carton turtle, fruit sea turtle, plate faces. Anyway, so this is basically fun crafts to do with kids. It's critter based. This will be fun. I actually will use this. Oh my goodness. I have one of these and I love it. Look at, I think it's a screaming monkey. Wait, does he scream? Hear me scream. How do I make him scream? Oh, I gotta pull the tab. He's got a little tab back here. Now, how do I make him scream? Insert fingers into the monkey's hands pockets. Pull back the tail and release. Pull. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna fling it. He didn't scream, nor did he go very far. Why do I say that I'm gonna do these things live? Pull back the tail. Oh. Okay, so I got the monkey to scream, but his hand fell off. This is great. There's still a lot of stuff in this box. This is the most fun entertainment I've had in a long time. So I've got this great Tupperware thingy. So I'll just, I don't know, it's just a little Tupperware storage thing. That'll come in handy. I use these all the time. A sleek stopper. So it's just a door holder. I'll use that. Or, I don't know, put that in my donation giveaway bag. Here's something else from my husband. An oil filter. These are, I'm assuming though oil filters can only be used like for specific, like I don't know if this is for a car or for a lawnmower. I have no idea. The Pennzoil brand name is on here, so That's a good sign. So again, along with this nerdy contraption, I'm just gonna put this right on my husband's desk, and he's gonna be like, what is this stuff? And they're like, it's from my bag of crap that Woot.com sent me today. Isn't it fun? What else? Ooh, yay taco. Collect all 3 Shirt Woot mini plushies. It's a Shirt Woot mini plushie, series 2. So now I get to open another box. It's a box within a box. Oh dear, what is in here? Too bad Easter's over. This could be an Easter basket filler. An angry cat. Oh, I love it. I love it. I'm gonna hang him from my rear view mirror in my car because that's hilarious. Wow. The gifts just keep coming. The gifts just keep coming. And I know there's annoying crinkly noises. What do I have here? A Woot.com. It looks like a keychain. If I pull the tab here, is it a light? Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, so it's a keychain light. And there's like a little switch here. Switch it off, switch it on. Oh, I guess it's got a flash mode. Switch it off, switch it on. Solid mode, off, on, flash mode. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm doing this live on Facebook Live. This is great. This is great. Another mystery box. It's white. It has a blue dot. I don't know what is in this. Now, okay, side note here. Have you guys ever watched anyone open their mystery boxes that like people make these things and sell them on eBay? Like, did you know that that was a thing? Like, you can type on eBay right now, type in mystery box, and you can get a mystery box of any value, like $5 to $100, and the contents inside should match that value, and then you get this box of random stuff from some stranger from somewhere, and you just get to open it. So it's like however much you're willing to pay for entertainment for a bunch of stuff. At least in this instance, though, it's new stuff. It's not used from a random stranger. But I will say that this is highly entertaining. So I got a Woot.com, I don't know, a little knife, pocket knife, that's the word I'm looking for, yeah. Pocket knife. This is probably going on my husband's desk too. It's got a little clippy, so you can put that on a belt loop. Maybe if I go camping sometime, I'll put this on my belt loop, and then I'll impress my husband, because I'll be like, I don't need your knife, honey. I have my own. So this could come in handy. All right, oh, and it comes with a little pouch too that you can stick it on. I think a feather, did a feather just land on my lip? Yeah, that pink feather just landed on my lip. That's great. Okay, so what else is in here? Uh-oh, I see a USB and is this a mouse? Hey, that's pretty cool. Except who uses mice with cords? Probably no one, and that's why it's in this box. I have a cordless mouse. Not to brag or anything, but yeah. So we have a mouse. This looks scary. What is that? Is that like a chess? I have no idea what this is. If anyone knows what this is this from a weird cartoon? Is this from some like geek cult show that I don't know about, that I'm not geeky enough to be a part of? I have no idea, but it appears to be a sticker of something royal. I don't know. Hey Carrie, how's it going? You're joining in and watching my good time here while I open up my mystery box, my bag of crap from Woot.com. Is it a magnet? No, it's not a magnet. You can it looks like a magnet on here, but you can totally just peel it off a piece of paper. I wish it was a magnet. It'd be more useful, but now it's just going to become a random sticker that my kids play with. Okay, more opening, more annoying noises. I'm going to get the scissors out, though, So Father's Day gift has just been found. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, it says world's greatest dad. It's the Star Wars. And yes, my husband is a Star Wars fan. I mean, it's not like die-hard crazy. To be honest, he likes Star Trek better than Star Wars. But when it comes to a random Father's Day gift, you know I'm wrapping this sucker up and he's getting this. Oh yeah. So we got a Father's Day gift, and I think there's only one more thing, which makes me sad because I'm having so much fun. And a funny t-shirt. This is a good one to end with. Always be yourself. Unless you can be a frog, then always be a frog. That's the moral of the story. That's the moral of this video. Now, the true moral of this video is that you need to go enter the giveaway to win one of these boxes because it's like a little mini Christmas, and it's the most fun I've had in a long time, which is kind of pathetic. It shows that my life as a blogger isn't that exciting when I'm really excited about a box from Woot.com. So anyway, enter the giveaway. Go try and win one of these boxes. You might get a t-shirt that says always be yourself unless you're a frog, and then always be a frog. I will do many workouts wearing this t-shirt. Actually, I'll wear this when I go camping this summer with my new pocket knife and my new angry kitty hanging from my hanging in my car on the rear view mirror. My screaming monkey that already lost its hand. The random oil filter. The Father's Day Star Wars glass. There's a lot of high quality fun in this box. Oh yeah, the Critter Crafts and Recipes book. My autumn themed craft paper. This is like better than yard sale shopping. And we got my bear mask. Should I wear my bear mask and my frog t-shirt at the same time? I don't know, guys, but that was fun, and you should totally enter to win one of these. And if you're an Amazon Prime member, go shop on Woot.com, because guess what? You no longer have to pay for shipping. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.